So one question that we get asked sometimes is, can I take multiple products in a day? Can I take multiple products at once? Is there a limit to the number of products that I can take? And in general, the answer to that is yes, you can take multiple products a day. Yes, you can take them at once. Beets and greens, for example, Pro360 beets, Pro360 greens, they were literally designed to be consumed together. They work better together. They have additional synergistic benefits when I take them together that I wouldn't even necessarily get on their own. Pro-arginine in beets is another great example. Take them at the same time, take them together, because you get an immediate effect from the beets, you get a long-term effect from the pro-arginine, and if you take them every day, they work together to actually build in your system such that your system responds better to these products. And I think this is something that kind of works across the board in many cases. Phytolife, do I need to consume Phytolife on its own, or can I take it with greens? Go ahead, take them together. The important thing with most of these products is just that you take them on a regular basis. The foundational products, the ones that are truly impacting your health at a foundational level, Pro-arginine, Pro360 greens, Pro360 beets, the V3 Performance Pack. These are products that are meant to work together to foundationally improve your health. The more you take them, and it doesn't matter if you take them all in one drink, it doesn't matter if you take them throughout the day, there's different reasons to take them at different times, but the most important thing is just take the products. They're going to basically support your health in a truly foundational way and work together to support your health. That's really the thing that's important. They cover different aspects of health so that your foundational health is improved.